Hello guys, guess what? I'm entering the bush with my cousin. I see him. You know what we are going to do? We are going to inspect our beehives that we have inside this bush. So we are walking down to the place right now, walking towards the bush path, just for you to see where we are going. And see where we are walking, marching down to inspect our beehive. So let's see what happens. Let's see how the bees are doing. I'll be right back. So guys, finally we are here. We've arrived at the place where we have some of the beehives that will have bees in it. So we are going to inspect them rather. So you can see my cousin is kitten. He's wearing his bee suit in preparation for the inspection. You know what this means? To avoid all those guys, all those ladies to come after you. So I'll soon be, you can see mine here. So I'll be with you in a moment. Let me do mine. I'll be right back. So you can see me. Can see me? Yes, that's me. That's me. First time of going to inspect a bee. So let's see what happens. Let's see how it goes. Oh.
If you watch very well, this is a flight route.
Okay, the flight zone. Okay.
So you don't block their flight zone.
Yeah.
If you block it, they will attack you.
Okay. Yeah.
So you see that the bees are very, very active. If you check their flight rate, they are doing very well.
Yeah.
So they have come to greet you. So
that's the box there. For this moment, we're not going to open the box for some reasons. We just came to see if the box are still intact, where we kept them. See the box. This is one of the boxes we are going to inspect. You can see it on the stand. The bees are flying around here.
I wish you can just go to over to the other side. But can't get that over the
Yes, let me just go closer a bit. So wow, you can see them. You see what I'm talking about? There's their entrance. You can see them moving in and moving out. For now, we are not going to open this hive for some reason, as I earlier said. So let's go check the next. Apparently, this is my first time of getting that close to a beehive that has a bee. But as you can see, I'm kitted. I'm not scared of them. So let's keep moving.
That's the first one.
Okay. So we are moving down to the next one. So interesting. There are 3 boxes here, not 2. Okay. Okay, this is the first one. Apparently there's no bee in this box. There's bee in this one? Are you serious? Okay. Okay. We are going to open it and see the inside. Okay, there's no bee in this one. There's no bee in this other one.
But you have to shift. There's something else in this one.
Okay, there's something is eating the...
Shift. And it's not inside it.
Ah, okay. It's true.
Wait, don't block that side.
Okay.
Before they get it.
Okay. Alright. He wants to see inside a box to check if something dangerous is in the box that might have affected the bees. That's what he's checking. He's still inspecting. covered it. That plant that is covering that entrance. Okay, this other one is empty. There's nothing in them. So out of the 4 boxes here, or rather 3 boxes, it's only one that has a bee, that has bees inside, but they are not much, which is this one. So let him open and see. There are just few of them. You can see they are not much. They are not much here. Apparently, this hive should be checked and looked into and know what the problem here is.
They don't have a queen.
Okay, according to me, you say they don't have a queen.
So
That's why they are not active.
I'm going to match the bees with other bees.
Okay.
They don't have a queen.
Okay. You take another quick shot. So you can see the tiny bees, they are just crawling around without a queen. A queenless bee, a queenless colony is unproductive. That's what it means. So I'm going to check the next one. Okay. What's up? So let's go check the next one out. Okay, that's the last one. Okay. Where? You're not getting. You're not getting behind. Oh, we cannot do it.
No, the other ones you have.
Okay, checked. Okay. So, I think there's another one. Okay. 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 Okay, there are bees in here too.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see the box in there. So there are bees there.
They are flying there.
See them. Here's another beehive. Okay. So we are here again to see another beehive. At least this one, there are bees in them. So let me just take you closer for you guys to see it. So this is another hive. with bees. They're flying around. Go closer. You can see them. That's their entrance, where they fly in and out. So he doesn't really want to open the hive for us to see how they are doing inside. Maybe he knows what he's waiting for. According to him, he says he's going to add another box on top of this one because these ones are very active. So he's going to add a super box on top of it where they can all move up and continue building their bee comb. So let's go check out another one. This is inside a bush. It's like a forest. Unfortunately, there are no bees on this one. And I guess something is in it. So he's just checking to see if there's any other foreign body inside the bee box. There's none. That's what he's checking. Wow, unfortunately the bees in this one left. Wow. The bees left. Wow. Their frame collapsed. That's what I can see here. You can see? And something is inside it. Something lives inside here. He's trying to kill it. Try. It's quite unfortunate. Something must have led to their exit. Look at the tiny rat that came inside this hive. It's quite unfortunate. It's quite unfortunate. Bees that have already built their comb, they left. So sad. So sad. You can see here the hive that they've already built. The comb. Sorry, the comb, not the hive. The comb that they've already built. Something must have led to their exit from this frame, from this box. So he's trying to put back the frames together again. So they just completed the framing of the box. So he's going to cover it with the roof cap gently so that another one will fall. So we're heading to another hive. Wow. The bees have left.
I need to work on this one seriously.
The bees have left.
So I need to work on this one.
Yeah. Wow, you can see the comb. The comb's already built. You can see. And they left because ants invaded the colony, which is too bad for a colony. There are lots of tiny, tiny ants crawling around inside this box. That is what must have led to their exit. That's sad. Sad.
Now come back for them.
You know, when you have a beehive like this, or we have a box and there are bees in it that has done to this extent, you'll be happy. But on coming for an inspection and you see that the bees are no longer there, it's so disheartening. So disheartening, but not demoralizing, because you keep pushing. You can't just stop like that. You can't just stop. You don't quit. You continue the fight.
Hive, come back.
So we just do a little cleanup of the hive.
You grease the leg so
Yes. Okay. You just lift the stand a bit so that the ants won't be able to come back. So, wow. See, a rat just jumped out from that place now. And they are eating up the combs. These are some of the disadvantages, but I believe a regular inspection will solve all this problem. Keep inspecting them regularly. You'll be finding out when you'll be seeing the signs of dangers, and you'll be able to rectify it and prevent them from leaving. But what will you do? You keep pushing on. When you come and see that your hive is not doing the way you are supposed to, the way you expected it to do, you will strategize and keep moving. You don't give up. Because bees are a natural gift. You don't buy them. Though in some places they do buy bees and transfer them to the box. But you cannot always be buying. They are in the bush looking for a good place for them to live. So all you need to do is to prepare a comfortable living habitat for them. They will come and live there. That is bees for you. So let's go and check out the next one. Okay, there are no bees in this one. They've not entered at all. You can see the box. So another thing to prevent the ants from climbing up to the box is to greasing the stand, the legs of the stand. You grease them. So by so doing, it will prevent the ants from climbing. They won't have access. The grease will scare them away. So, but this one, bees have never entered at all.
They entered some time ago.
Okay. You said they entered some time ago and they left. You know. You can see their little comb. You see their little comb. Even termites are on this box. So these are the things that can scare bees away. When they get a foreign body that is not a part of them, a predator. If a predator starts coming into the box, they will simply leave, because bees doesn't want disturbance at all. They don't like disturbance in any way. So you have to help them out to prevent any foreign body from invading their colony. Because once it is invaded, they will leave. They will leave. That's just a simple truth. So you can see he's cleaning up the box. Even their entrance are blocked. You can see that. Their entrance were blocked. So as you can see, he's in the process of replacing the frames. He's replacing the frames, and on this frame is where they build their comb. Normally some frames do have foundation, which enables them to build their comb fast. But it really doesn't give them enough space for them to do their comb. So that's why sometimes preferably the unframed, or rather frames without foundation, is kind of at an advantage, you know, so that they will have enough space. Just that the disadvantage is that the comb will not go in a single line, you know. It won't go because it doesn't have any foundation. But the advantage is that they will have enough space to build more comb. He is done with this one. So let's see if there's another box to check. So that's it. That's a wrap for today for the inspection that we came for. Well, it's not quite a good experience that we saw today. Some of the bees have left. It's so sad. So sad. But notwithstanding, we keep pushing. So in our next video, we are going to show how to bait a hive. When you want to prepare a box for bees to enter, that is what we are going to show. After baiting them, we will now place or position the boxes or the box where it will be for bees to enter. So thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day. If you enjoy what you watch, just click the like button and share and drop a comment and tell us the country you are watching from. Have a wonderful day.